Stop rendering prompts and start building worlds. So this started because I was following a lot of artists that became friends, and I could see that a lot of people on the space were, let's say, just like generating cool images and sharing those cool images. And none of those images had any coherence whatsoever, no narrative. And I thought that that would be a problem that not only I could solve, but I could actually teach people how to do it. So that was the seed, or like the spark, for the World Building Codex, which it kicked off crazy wave. Like, that's why this course exists, etc. But that's because most people were using AI image generation as just like random seeds and just like spray and pray. And the moment I started thinking, even in my own work, once I locked into a style, and once I started generating a little bit more cohesiveness, people would start recognizing your style much more, right? So there are certain artists that you can tell their work immediately. And this is somewhere in between. This is somewhere between, let's say, the ability to conjure that power of creating an aesthetic and own it. So what this course is going to teach you is how to do that at scale, right? So the main difference is that a prompt is a request, right? So you ask for a cyberpunk city at night with neon lights. That's what you're going to get, but you need to iterate until you get it perfect. And even if you find your style reference code, you still might be missing things that people might find interesting. So a world is a system. It has an internal logic. It has rules about light, material, color, character, space. And when you build within that system, every image reinforces every other image. So the images you create and the subsequent images that come after that, if there's narrative points or character points or things that connect them all together, you can start outputting work that people will recognize, and with time, slowly, they will start investing themselves. They will start recognizing your work, your characters, and they will actually demand more of it. And that's something I actually realized while growing my work, is that as soon as I had, let's say, characters that come over and over, people recognize them. And that's actually really, really cool to see. Worlds have internal logic. Every world needs an internal logic. That is a set of rules that govern and belong. So they govern what belongs and what doesn't belong in this space. So these rules are not just arbitrary limitations. They are what make the world feel real. Let's say a world where all the architecture is built from bone and obsidian. That's a rule. Not now, all the buildings in that world, every street, every interior shot needs to follow that logic. The viewer needs to start to believe that in that place because it's consistent. Without internal logic, you just have decoration. With logic, then you start to create a world.